I'm going to show you how to remove this from your car. On my car, this was for a Chrysler 300, 2008, but this can be done on many other Chrysler Dodge Jeep vehicles as well as many other cars. But for this one particularly, I removed it. There's these pieces in here. You might be able to use a door trim pry tool to get it out. However, what I wound up using was this right here. This hex nut, or you can use a wrench. This was a 1/4 inch, and this allowed me to get this out. You just, from underneath, unscrew it, and it comes out, and then it's very easy. I'll show you how to remove the splash guard. It doesn't take long. It takes about less than 10 minutes just to get it out, and your car does not have to be raised. As long as you can get underneath it, you should be able to get the splash guard off. This is how my splash shield looks with my car. As you can see, it's broken, damaged. So to remove, I'm gonna remove these bolts right here. Okay, so once you get all these clips out, push forward on the splash guard until it comes loose. There we go. Okay. There we go. That's my splash guard. And it looks like there is about at least 8 clips in. That's how you remove the splash guard. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you have any questions. Hope this helps.